how to get $9 for free on Coinbase. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get $10 or 9.23 on Coinbase for free, easy and fast. So first thing, go to coinbase.com. This is the homepage. Now if you want some few dollars here, just go to this option right here, click on more and click on invite friends. Now as you can see, if you invited a friend to Coinbase, you will both get $9.23 euro, sorry. So now you can copy this link and send it to your friend, and if he joined the Coinbase, you will get this amount of money, easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe.